And a 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Slow, separate. So, we are like this. Guys are here. We turn, 1. We bring the girl in break, 2. And by the way we bring the girl in break, we go with the hand completely over her. So that our left hand is not anymore in the frame. It will be like this. With this hand here, or like this, girls there. Good. Then I bring the girl back, and it's not in the break anymore, it's in a step. So I bring her step. And I feel when she steps on the leg, so I can bring her back again forward. And I bring her step. We're not crossing yet, we're just doing steps. It's okay, it's no problem. And we go step and step and step. This is the first thing we need to do in order to understand the step, okay? We need to prepare this. Guys step on the right and the left is free. And the left is free. Girls step on the left and the right is free, okay? Now, we will add the sideways motion. This is why we need to do this. If we do just breaks, if you just make breaks, it's going to be impossible to move to the side. I cannot move. I have to move this in between. So if I make breaks, and I want to go sideways with the girl, I need to allow her to step on the leg, so she can cross, okay? Girls are crossing always with the right leg, either forward or back. Boys are crossing with the left leg. Cross, 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 cross. Always to the side. Good. Then we have this finish. You will see that doing it is much harder than singing it. Okay? So you need to practice. So we have this motion, we are controlling the girl here. Then we are doing 9 and 10, 1. And here comes the exit from this. Now, second part. When we make the second part, it's like a woman zaida that goes backwards. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And we're going to add styling. For the girls, it's important that when the guy makes styling, you don't watch and you don't try to follow just because you see. You will follow only if the guy is guiding. Good. So we arrived here, we were on the 10, and we finished 11. And this 11 is already my 1 for the second part. 1. And I make 2, and this leg stays always on one line. And then the girl goes 3, and I make N. The girl goes 4, and I make N. The girls go 5, and I make N. The girl goes 6, and I make N, and then I stop 7. 8 and 9, syncopation. Good. Very slow. You step only on the count and not on the syncopation. Just, okay? 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 9. Again, Chava? Good. Slower for the guys, girls, you don't have to do anything. So for the woman zaida, it's like this. I bring the girl forward 1, backwards. Then I bring her to the side and I step myself there 2. But now I don't go with the girl here. I come back to this leg. And then I bring the girl 3. And 5. 5. And 6. And 7. Forward, side. Again. 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7. Break. Pop, pop, pop. It's important also not to go in the line with the woman. So the woman is here, and she stays there while I'm doing this. I'm not going in her line. Good. You will need to practice alone, home, guys, with all the girls before you step and try to do this. But the easiest way to prepare this is just doing woman zaida and walking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you start slowly. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and it will feel weird and hard. You need to practice if you want to get better. We dance one time for you.